now's the time we start getting into those attachments. And one of the biggest things I want to pinpoint on any of the attachments that we have is the attachment procedure is going to be exactly the same no matter which attachment you're putting on the unit. Now, if you've attached a Boss truck plow to a truck, you understand the concept. You drive the truck into the back of the plow, there's some pins that lock into place, you plug it in, off you go. The only exception here, of course, is going to be the addition of hydraulic lines that are going to operate the attachment. So let's walk through the next steps on this and give you an idea of just how easy this is. All right, so the first step in connecting this system is going to be opening the 2 attachment pins. It's simply done by pulling and twisting on both sides of the coupler. Next, I'm going to drive the unit into the back of the plow and raise it up, and then come out and lock the pins in place. Now, shutting the unit off makes it a lot easier for connecting the hydraulics. And if it's still tough to connect, give the levers a little tap. You're basically releasing the pressure on the lines. Now we have 2 female and 2 male connectors here, which correspond to the fittings at the unit. But you'll notice that 2 of the lines have yellow tags around them. That corresponds to the yellow tags down on the right angle cylinder. That makes it real easy when you're connecting it to the unit so that you have the right and the left side corresponding correctly. Now, when you're hooking up the male sides, simply pushing into the fitting. The female sides, similar process, but if the female sides are tight, you simply open up the valve as you're doing it, and it allows the fitting to connect a little bit easier. And we're connected. You'll notice that the hose bundle is kind of loose here. Now what we want to do is make sure that it doesn't get caught up any of the moving parts or the wheels. So what we've done is we've supplied this securement strap. Simple Velcro strap, just goes around the hose bundle, keeping it out of the elements. Thank you today for watching, and remember, when snow and ice hits, Boss helps you restore order.